wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! Dream again! Dream big! Big dreams! I have big dreams. How about you guys? Do you guys have big dreams? Yeah? I think it's nice to have really big dreams. It's a great way to look forward to the future and think of all the amazing things we're going to do. Like one of these days, I'm going to make a craft. Yeah, that's a big dream of mine. And maybe one day I'll pick an apple from a tree. Yeah, and trees are high, so that would be a big dream. Yeah. Do you guys have big dreams? I'd love to know what some of your guys' big dreams are. If you ever want to tell me them, please let me know. Okay? Great. All right. Today, I almost forgot to tell you what we're doing today. You probably guessed because you saw this book in my lap, but today we are doing Storytime! Storytime! Yeah, I'm really excited. Yeah, I like Storytime a lot. I hope you guys do too. And guess what? Today we are doing a story called Apples. That's right, because I'd like to pick an apple someday, so we're going to do this story called Apples. Okay. I'm going to start. Fluffy. Fall is finally here, said Noah. You're in this book, Noah? Mm-hmm. Noah liked the way the crisp air smelled. He also liked the way the leaves turned from green to red to gold. But most of all, Noah liked fall because it was apple picking season! Oh, I hope I'm in this book too, because if Noah goes and picks apples without me, that might be sad, because that's my dream. Yeah, well, maybe it's his dream too. I don't know. We could both have the same dream, I suppose, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Fluffy, are you ready to go to the apple orchard? Asked Noah. Fluffy wagged his tail. Swish, 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 swish. Fluffy didn't know what an apple orchard was, but he knew he liked apples. Oh, do you like apples, Fluffy? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof. That means yes. Yay, apples. Yeah. Fluffy really does like apples. Yeah, they're tasty. He doesn't like the seeds, though, but he likes the apples. Welcome to Olivia's apple orchard. I have a whole apple orchard, said a friendly woman. That's me. I'm all grown in this story. Wow, it's pretend time for reals, huh? I'm Olivia, and who might you be? I'm Noah, and this is Fluffy, answered Fluffy. No, answered Noah. Aw, man, dogs don't really talk, do they? Oh, Fluffy says I'm wrong. Fluffy does talk. Okay, yeah, that's fair. Okay, Fluffy does talk. I'm Noah, and this is Fluffy, said Noah. Yep, got it right that time. Well, everybody, said Olivia, hop on. Please climb on my tractor. Yay! The orchard's just a short hayride away. And they climbed up on top of the long gold hay. Achoo! Noah sneezed. Hay has a lot of allergens. Yeah. Noah sneezed in the hay. Look, look, Noah, said Mrs. Howard. That pumpkin is as big as you are. Oh, I wonder who that is. And that one is tiny like Fluffy. Oh, in this book, Fluffy's still a puppy. So Fluffy's very, very little. And then they all smiled as they rode and rode toward the orchard a long way away. Thanks for the ride, Olivia, said Noah. I can't wait to pick the perfect apple. Noah's gonna go pick some apples. I hope you like apples. Have fun, called Olivia. I hope you find a good one. Fluffy wanted to pick apples, but he was too small. He jumped once, he jumped twice, but he still couldn't reach. It's hard to reach a tree, huh? I don't know how you do it. Especially if you're small like us. Yeah, we're way too small to pick an apple, huh? I think we'd have to climb or get a ladder we'd have to do something. I certainly couldn't jump and reach an apple. Jumping and reaching an apple would be so hard. I would have to jump so high. I would have to jump as tall as I am. Whoa, that is so tall. That's probably like 2 feet or 3 feet. Guys, I would have to jump over my own head. I would be a very good athlete then. Then I should play basketball. Yeah. If I can jump that high, I will. If I could just reach this one, said Noah. All his reaching made a loose apple fall to the ground. Woof, 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 barked Fluffy. That's not the perfect apple, Fluffy, said Noah. It's bruised. Looks pretty good to me, thought Fluffy. Oh, cried Noah, this one might be perfect. When Noah reached into the branches, a few more loose apples fell to the ground. Fluffy sniffed at the apples. They smelled sweet. He pushed all the fallen apples into a pile. He had a big pile. Well, what have we got here? Asked Olivia. Looks like Fluffy has been busy, said Noah with a giggle. But those apples are bruised. The bruised ones are so sweet, said Olivia. They'll be perfect for making cider. Oh, yay! Do you guys know what apple cider is? Yeah, it's like when you take an apple and you get all the juice from an apple out, and it's really thick apple juice. That's apple cider. Sometimes you have it in winter. You can make warm apple cider. It's really good. I like it. Wow, I didn't know that bruised apples were really sweet. That's great. Thanks for a great day, Olivia, said Noah. You're welcome, Olivia replied. But I should be the one saying thank you to Fluffy. He found me the most perfect cider apples. Fluffy did so good. That's great. Good job, Fluffy. I hope you'll enjoy this pie, said Olivia. It's made with apples from my orchard. I picked them myself. Guys, I did get to pick apples. Yay, I picked apples. I picked some apples. I picked apples and I made a pie, and the pie is delicious. Well, I think it's delicious anyways. Fluffy wagged his tail happily. He liked the apple orchard. Noah, did you ever find the perfect apple? Asked Olivia. No, answered Noah. I found a whole pie full of perfect apples. See, the pie was good. And Noah and Clifford went home that night to sleep tight. Yeah, they were tired from all that apple picking. It had been a long day. Apple picking's really, really hard work, right? Yeah, You have to climb the trees and walk around a lot, and it's tiring. That's why it's so nice when you have an apple pie after you pick all those apples. Wow. Thank you guys so much for coming and listening to me read. I really liked that. It was fun to explore my big dream by reading this book. Yeah. If any of you guys do have big dreams, please let me know. Yeah. I'd love to hear about them. And maybe we could do an episode where we have them on our show. It'd be so fun. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to go. I think I want some cider now, so I'm going to go have some apple cider. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for coming to Dream Again. Bye. Bye. I hope you enjoy the apples. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!